Hey, I'm Mindy Kniss. This is the Daily Rage. Great news today. I was able to pass another Apex evaluation. You can see my P&L up here, 3,450. I had to get $9,000. This is a 150K account. So you can see I was able to do that and then some, locked that in. So that is great news. I think this is maybe the 16th account that I've passed. I don't know. I'll have to check. Anyway, here's what I want to talk to you about. Actually, two things. One, Apex is currently on sale, and these bigger accounts, the 150K and above, they're like extra cheap because they're only like, I don't know, $257 or something. And then you take the 80% off of that. So crazy. Definitely grab one of those. There's a link and coupon code down below. But more importantly, I want to tell you what happened during this section of my trading this morning. So I had been watching Open Range Breakout. It like kind of started, wanted to go up, and then it was like, just kidding, we're going to go down. So I had traded this portion of it and I was up, I don't know, over $1,000. And what my mind was telling me is I was like getting scared because I'm like, God, I'm so close to the finish line. I really would love to pass this thing because my account's going to be renewing soon and like, let me just get this done. But this started freaking me out. So a little bit of a bounce here. And then as you can see, yeah, we were going lower, but these were both spinning tops. So really indecisive, more wick on these guys. So I was basically going to stop right there and just quit for the day, which to be clear would have been fine. But I was like, Kniss, you need to put your effing armor on. Now, I did not say effing to myself. What I'm talking about is not physical armor, but it's something that I'm going to teach you in Peak Performance Trader, which happens this Saturday. Tomorrow is the last day to sign up. And here's what I'm talking about. Oftentimes in the past, I've gotten really close and then choked. It's the same thing that happens to professional athletes sometimes when they're on like that last putt as a golfer and then they just blow the whole thing. You need to be able to control your mind when you're in a situation like that so that you don't freak out. One, and have bigger losses, or two, get missed opportunities. And what this would have been is a missed opportunity for me because this was giving me all the signs of what I like to look for: momentum and follow through, and even better to the short side. So I was like, Kniss, get yourself together, put on your armor, tap into that warrior mind. And that's what I've been telling people about in my recent webinars. That warrior mind is an aspect of you that you already have inside you. The problem is that most people don't practice it and they don't know how to activate it. So that's what I'm going to show you in Peak Performance Trader. Again, that live class happens this Saturday on Zoom. Tomorrow is the last day to sign up. Because this is a pilot program, you're also going to save 50% off of the price. As soon as midnight tomorrow hits, the price is going to go back up and the doors are going to close until the next round when I offer this. But I wanted to show you this because I had to put into practice the same exact stuff that I'm going to teach you in this program. It's not just a course, it's a course plus a 21-day challenge so that you can actually lock this stuff in and learn to activate it within yourself. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. There's a link down below. I'm Mindy Kniss. Thanks so much for watching.